I want to talk to you about dimensional analysis, or it's just a dimensional analysis is just a fancy word of saying converting between units. Now the units have to be in the same kind of unit, meaning, for example, if you're in time, it has to be a same kind of unit as time. For example, seconds, hours, months, like it has to be the same type of unit, but in a different size. In dimensional analysis, we also use conversion factors. For example, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Okay. And this equality can be converted into a conversion factor, which is 1 kilogram divided by 1,000. So all I did was divide one side by the other. And I can also write it as 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. This type of setup where conversion factors, you use them or you select between them depending on what you're trying to calculate. So if I want to calculate 1.34 kilograms to grams, I would choose this conversion factor. And the reason I would use that conversion factor is because it allows my kilogram to cancel out, because kilograms on the bottom. So the way you cancel them out is with the units being opposite of each other. Okay, so I'm gonna take this conversion factor and I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it over here, right here. Okay, so I would say 1.34 kilograms times 1,000. So what is that? So that's going to be 1,340 grams, because kilograms will cancel with each other and you're only left with grams. Okay, so that would be my answer. So what if I want to convert kilometers per hour to meters per second? So let's look at that. So I would start with 43, kilometers, okay, for every 1 hour. For every hour. And I can do my chart. I know that I want to convert kilometers to meters, right? So I just noticed I made a mistake right here. It's not grams, it's kilometer. Okay, so I know that in 1 kilometer, there is 1,000 meters. Okay, now this already canceled out. Now I'm in meters. I'm in meters per hour. Now I need to convert my hours. Okay, so up here in 1 hour, I know there's 60 minutes. Okay, but I said I wanted to convert it to meters per second, so that means I still need to go further. So let's look at this. So hours is just gonna cancel out. So I'm in meters per minute. I want to convert it to seconds. So I want to cancel out minutes. So that means opposite of minutes, there has to be minutes. So in 1 minute, there is 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out minutes and minutes, and I'm left, if I zoom out a little bit, with meters per second. Okay. When you do the math, you're going to multiply across. Let's do it with highlighter. And multiply across and then divide that number by whatever multiplied number is the bottom. Okay. So that means I'm going to multiply 43 times 1,000 times 1 times 1. Okay, that's 43,000. 43,000 divided by the multiplication of 1 times 1, 60 times 60. So 60 times 60 is equal to, well, 120. Right? No, sorry, not 120. 3,600. So 43,000, right? 43,000. 43,000 divided by 3,600 is going to give me 11.94, and then a 4 keeps going forever. Okay, so that is what I would get, and it will be in meters per second. But there is 2 6 fig here, 2 6 figs. So that means my answer should have 2 6 figs. So it should be rounded to 12 meters per second. Okay. That is how you would do dimensional analysis. Okay. So it's just a matter of canceling out units and getting the unit that you want or the one you're looking for. Okay. I will ask you to practice a little bit on Canvas and submit an assignment related to this. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, see you in class.